Welcome to this video on FreshBooks, a powerful and intuitive platform for invoicing, accounting, and financial management. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or part of a growing team, FreshBooks helps you manage your financial tasks effortlessly. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up your FreshBooks account, create professional invoices, and track your financial health, all designed to save time and simplify your workflow in 2024. So before we get started, what is FreshBooks? FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting software tailored for small businesses, freelancers, and self-employed professionals. Known for its user-friendly interface, FreshBooks simplifies invoicing, expense tracking, time management, and financial reporting. So now you want to go to freshbooks.com. So this is their website. And from here, just log in with your account. So if you don't have an account yet, they offer a free trial. So when you sign up for an account, you will now be greeted to this page. So let's get you set up. So just fill up all of this information, such as your first name, your last name, where are you located, your phone number, and how did you hear about us. I'm just going to add in my phone number. Now you need to add your company name. Just going to add mine, your industry, say marketing. So how would you describe your business? Say it's launching soon. What's your estimated revenue this year? So let's just add, say, 102,000. How long does it take to complete your services? So let's say less than a week. What do you currently use to bill your customers? So let's say spreadsheet, pen and paper. And how customized is your offering for customers? So let's say more or less the same. And click Save and Finish. Now FreshBooks will be generating your dashboard. So as you can see right here, we can take a quick tour to get familiar with the platform. So of course, you might want to do this. So I'm just going to do it in this video. So click on continue. Here, the navigation, you can find all the tools you'll need for your business in this menu in the left-hand side. Now click on next. So from here, you can see your settings. So you can manage your business settings like logos, templates, online payments, and more. Now in the top right, you'll see your business notifications. So you can find important alerts about your business activities, including invoice payments, bank connection status, and more. And of course, your account. So you can manage your account, including your billing, your FreshBooks plan, and your account information. And from here, you'll see the dashboard. So now this is how your dashboard will look like. So we have the quick start right here. So you can get started with your items and services. You can add an item or service. You can always add your client or simply create an invoice. Now, when you scroll down in your dashboard, you will see a bunch of different tables, such as your outstanding invoices, your revenue and expenses, your total profit, revenue streams. So you'll see all of this analytics and your performance metrics right here. So you won't need to check all of it one by one. So you will see graphs right here in your dashboard. And in the top, you will see you can create or add your new team member. So just add in their first name, their last name, and their email. And when you're done, just click on add and they will be notified via email. So from here, you can create new. So you can either create a new client, a new retainer, a new invoice, recurring template, other income, and all of this stuff right here. Now let's move on to the next section, which is our clients. So when you click on clients, of course, you'll see all of your clients right here in a list. So if you don't have a client yet, of course, you can always add a new one. So let's click on new client. From here, just add in their first name, last name, their company name, their email address, their phone number. Of course, you can add additional information such as their business phone, their mobile phone, or their address. And we have our client settings right here, such as the send reminders. So you can set it to yes, have the charge late fees, currency and language, and the invoice attachments. So after adding your new client, you will now see them here in the bottom. And we also have more actions right here if you want to import your clients. So if you don't want to add your clients manually, of course, you can always import using a CSV file. Next is the estimate section. So from here, you can see your estimates. Of course, you can create a new estimate or new proposal. And after creating, you'll see all of them right here in a list. And as you can see, we have the preview right here. So if you created a new one, this is the status of those estimates and proposal. So they can be invoiced, accepted, viewed. So this is what they will look like. Next is invoices. So from here, of course, this is just the same user interface. This is the same look as the other ones. So of course, you can create new invoices. As you can see, you can also drag your logo right here. This is how your invoice will look like. We have our invoice settings too right here, if they can accept online payments, customize invoice style, or make recurring. So now let's go to our payments. Of course, right here, as you can see, still the same interface. And add your new invoice payments right here. As you can see, just add the invoice, the payment date, the type, and the amount. And of course, you can add optional notes. Next is expenses. From here, you can add your new expenses. Again, same process. Just click on new expenses. Here, you can edit the expense settings. You can drag the receipt image, and you can also edit it right here. Now let's go to projects. So from here, you'll see all of your projects. Create a first project, just click on create new. So is it a flat rate project or an hourly project? So like hourly. From here, of course, this is how the project will look like. Of course, you can edit it using this template. So what's good about FreshBooks is that they have their own organized template, and you can just simply click on this design to edit it. Next is time tracking. So this is for your members or your team. And of course, you can generate invoice for their time they work. And next is our accounting. So from here, as you can see, we have the collaborative accounting right here. So you can invite other members. So you can add them as an admin, manager, employee, contractor, or accountant. And when you scroll down, you will see all of the accounting reports right. And next is reports. So we have the invoice and expense reports right here from FreshBooks. We have the payment reports, so you can always check this out. So basically, that's all for the features of FreshBooks. So just feel free to explore more about FreshBooks with your account. Just feel free to explore more about the features, and you will now be using FreshBooks in your business in no time. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.